going to show you how to make some interesting Harry Potter cups. So I've just got some boring plain white mugs here. Now I've chosen ones that have a little bit more of a flat side to them, so it's easier to write on them. And I've just got a basic ceramic pen. So for my first design, I've decided to go with Axio T, because for myself, I'm not really a coffee person, and this is my mug. Now, for my husband, I've decided to go with Hands Off My Coffee's muggle, just because I thought it was funny. And for that one, we're just going to have The Muggle Struggle is Real. There we have it, some very simple teacups. Now, for those who are watching the Real Australia, these porcelain pens, you get them at Spotlight, which is nice and simple, and they have a lot of different colours if you wish to add more artistic designs. Now, if you're using the porcelain pen, you don't have to bake it on, you just have to allow it to dry. It takes 24 hours to dry completely, and then they are fully dishwasher safe. Thank you for watching today. If you've enjoyed our video, please subscribe.